Welcome to Haes Technologies Technical Support videos. In this video, we will look at the setup of cross-network programming. In this example 4, the group requirements are that the activation of an input module on loop 2, address 10, on panel 1 will have the effect of disabling the smoke detectors loop 1 15 and loop 2 18 on panel 2. The input will not activate any other alarm conditions. So the input that we are using is located on panel 1, loop 2, address 10. And the smoke detectors we're going to isolate can be found on panel 2, loop 1, address 15, and panel 2, loop 2, address 18. The first step is to open up the site file for panel 1, then go to the group options at the top of the screen, and then drag the input output unit we're requiring. In this case, it's address number 10 on loop 2, and drop that onto group 4 being the next available group on this panel. That will then load the two parts of the input output unit into the input and output boxes for the group, input at the top, output at the bottom. Again, we're not interested in the output part of this module, so we can right hand click over the output part at the bottom and then remove device. From the right hand side of the group window, we can set the group options as follows. So we can name the group, just for reference, we call it isolate panel 2 smokes. We set the activation mode as isolation, and then we make sure that the shared box is ticked here. Next, we highlight the input module so that it shows its attributes on the right hand side, and then down the bottom we change it. We untick the latching box so that it's no longer ticked, and instead we tick the non-alarm box. This means that the device will not generate a normal alarm across the network. It will just activate our isolation mode. Next, we open up the group box on panel 2 site file. And then from the group option, we drag and drop the smoke detectors that were required to be isolated. So we'll take address number 15 on loop number 1, we drop that over the group 4. Then we take address number 18, loop 2, and drop that over group 4. That will load the two devices into the input part of the group box here. On the right hand side of the group window, we set the group options as follows. Again, we can name the group there just to make it make more sense. We set the activation mode to isolation, and then we tick the shared boxes shown here. So we tick the shared options. So this allows this group on panel 2 to be shared with group number 4 on panel 1. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit our website at www.haes-tech.com.